the fastest NAS ever? Asustor Lockerstor 6 Gen 3 is a beast creators can't ignore. Ever feel like your storage setup is straight up sabotaging you? You sit down ready to crank out your next masterpiece, whether it's a film, a massive photo dump, or a 3D render, and boom, the spinning wheel of doom starts mocking you. File transfers crawl, backups stall, your system crashes mid-export, and your entire creative flow spirals into frustration. You're not lazy, unmotivated, or disorganized, you're being throttled by gear that can't keep up. Your vision is 8K, but your NAS is stuck in dial-up. Sound familiar? It's not you, it's your tools. Now crank that frustration up to rage quit. Projects get delayed. Clients start sending you those emails. You've got deadlines breathing down your neck, your workstation's choking under pressure, and your productivity is bleeding out, one sluggish transfer at a time. Burnout doesn't come from overwork, it comes from working hard and still watching everything crumble. Every hour wasted re-rendering or hunting down corrupted files is a gig you missed or a vision compromised. That dream project? Might never see daylight if your tech keeps failing you. Enter the Asustor Lockerstor 6 Gen 3 NAS, the high-performance vault your data deserves. Powered by a Ryzen Quad-Core 2.3 GHz processor, 16 GB ECC DDR5 RAM, and dual 10 GB and 5 GB ports, this monster was built for creators who demand speed, reliability, and future-proof power. With 4 M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 slots, USB 4 at 40 gigabits per second, and server-grade ECC memory, it delivers a no-joke performance boost that'll make your current setup weep. Whether you're syncing terabytes to Adobe Creative Cloud or editing straight from the drive, this NAS doesn't stutter, it soars. Need seamless workflows? You got M. Lockerstor 6 Gen 3 handles multi-user, cross-platform access, cold backup with My Archive, and even worm protection to keep your work immutable, aka ransomware-proof. Snapshots? Check. Remote access with Wake on WAN? Yup. USB 4 Thunderbolt compatible ports? Absolutely. Whether you're a solo content wizard or part of a production team, this NAS doesn't just store your work, it elevates it. Want smoother collaboration, zero-lag asset management, and absolute peace of mind? Lockerstor says, bring it on. Don't wait until your next project crashes mid-transfer. Join the wave of creators, editors, and pros already leveling up with Asustor Lockerstor 6 Gen 3. This isn't some budget backup box, it's your creative war machine. Stock is limited, demand is sky high, and your time? Priceless. Click that link. Secure your NAS. Lock in your files, your future, and your creative freedom. Why struggle with bottlenecks when you can build with the best? Your masterpiece is waiting, don't let your tech be the reason it stays unfinished. Let's go!